This is a quick video on the basic cleaning of various dirty LS1 parts. Some people might find this a little bit boring, but anyways. To start out, each part is sprayed with engine degreaser. The grease and grime is then agitated with a brush. After letting the parts soak for about 10 to 15 minutes, I used a steam cleaner to remove the loose grease and grime. The process is the same on every part that I clean in this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my next LS video. And remember to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.